All right, today we're going to calibrate again the low pressure evap tester. This is the procedure, so it's requiring that we need to adjust the pressure to 32 psi. So we have not opened the gas bottle, and we're about to open it up. And listen to the little sound inside there that is saying that it needs to be calibrated. So it's asking that is the inlet about 28 psi, and it's requiring to be 28, so we're going to increase it just a little bit. This one there, as you can see, I went to 32, 31, and that's what it wants to. Now if we want to verify that it needs a calibration, so we're just going to hit evap test. It says, nope, you will not be able to do that unless you calibrate that. So it says, press to continue. We follow the prompts by pressing 1, twice, and then in that, we're gonna enter for calibration. It's asking, it says, connect the calibration tank. On the side, we have a red hose that it needs to put into the calibration tank, as you can see that. Calibration tank. Now it's pressing there. And we go down again, what it's asking us to go down, one more. And it says, turn the calibration leak off. And that's what the leak off. Go one more down, and it says press to begin. And right now it's beginning to test. It says that it needs to upload after this test to the data depot. Again, press to continue. And it's checking for the vapors to space for inside. The back of the machine, you'll see that it has a tank, a little tank. This is the tank. And it's using that to calibrate that. It also has a regulator over here to adjust the pressure for the nitrogen in case you need to increase it. This machine, believe it or not, according to the Bureau of Auto Repair, we're supposed to go Ethernet. Still, they have not actually figured out how are they going to upload this one. This still requires an all analog line, a telephone line. The green cable that you see in here, it needs to be attached every time you do a low pressure evap test, in case there's a leak into vapors. Again, we're just waiting for the calibration to be happening. Let me show you also some of the items that you are required to have into the low pressure evap machine. These ones are the red balloons to verify the leak check. Then you have the hard plastic plugs in case you cannot crimp the lines. This is the hoses, this is the adapters to put with the red balloons to be able to do low pressure evap tests. This is the pliers, approved pliers from the Bureau of Auto Repair. They must be approved by them. How notice that it has also little plastic red strings for you not to forget them. Most people forget them inside the vehicles. And again, this machine is only required to use on vehicles from 1976 to 1995, providing that the canister, it is accessible. The key word, it is accessible. Now it's saying low leak check required. So we need to switch it to the low, and we press continue. And that's all it's doing right now. It's checking for the low leak. And it's testing, and there's the amber color. It's testing. It should give us a pass. If there's something wrong, it'll give us a fail. You only have 3 adapters. You have one, which is the threaded type. You have the blue for type of vehicles that you have in the field, so you have one. Now it's asking me to switch it to a high leak. We switch the knob to high, and we continue. Now it's looking for a high leak, which it'll be over 40 thousandths of an inch. And you can hear the leak into the machine that is trying to keep up. So total, probably you're looking like at least half an hour of timing calibration, low pressure evap test, and the bar 97. Now we see that. We put it back again to off. Disconnect the calibration hose, red one, and says that it passed. Disconnect the hose, which we did, and we just hit continue, and it's ready to go. It says, but the problem is, it says needs data depot communications. And we're gonna connect it to a telephone line, and we should be able to do smoke checks. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up.